वहीं होना, be there, be there. समय समय पर, from time to time, from time to time. मत हिलो, don't move, don't move. और कुछ, anything else, anything else. वहां मत जाओ, don't go there, don't go there. आलसी मत बनो, don't be lazy, don't be lazy. बाद में पछताना मत, don't regret later, don't regret later. दूसरों को मत बताना, don't tell others, don't tell others. आप चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? वो दुकान जाता है, he goes to the shop, he goes to the shop. सीधे मुद्दे पर आओ, come to the point, come to the point. जल्दी आओ, come quickly, come quickly. अभी आ रहा हूं, just coming, just coming. मिलते रहना, keep in touch, keep in touch. और कुछ नहीं, nothing more, nothing more. मुझे अंग्रेजी पसंद है, I like English, I like English. चलते रहो, keep moving, keep moving. यहां कोई नहीं है, there is no one, there is no one. अब जवाब क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you answer now? Why don't you answer now? मेरी बात सुनो, listen to me, listen to me. देखो क्या हुआ, look what happened, look what happened. दिमाग से काम लो, use your brain, use your brain. दिखावा मत करो, don't show off, don't show off. बढ़िया है, sounds good, sounds good. कोशिश करते रहो, keep trying, keep trying. तुम कितने आलसी हो, you are so lazy, you are so lazy. मेरा पेट भरा है, I am full, I am full. उसके पास एक कार है, he has a car, he has a car. यहां कभी नहीं आता, never comes here, never comes here. मुझे एक लेने दो, let me have one, let me have one. अपनी शर्ट अंदर खींचो, tuck in your shirt, tuck in your shirt. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं, we all are with you, we all are with you. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं, I have nothing, I have nothing. इसे ठीक करवाओ, get it repaired, get it repaired. मैं उलझ गया, I am confused, I am confused. ये ठीक है, this is fine, this is fine. आपका संपर्क नंबर क्या है? What is your contact number? What is your contact number? मैंने उसे पानी लेने भेजा, I sent him to get water, I sent him to get water. ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, it's my responsibility, it's my responsibility. मुझे भूख लगी है, I am hungry, I am hungry. मुझे दोष मत दो, don't blame me, don't blame me. ये फोन मेरा है, this phone is mine, this phone is mine. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? अपना वादा याद रखना, remember your promise, remember your promise. ये उसका घर है. This is his house. This is his house. अपने परिवार के बारे में बताओ. Tell me about your family. Tell me about your family. ये मेरी गलती नहीं थी. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. कोई दिक्कत है क्या? Any problem? Any problem? उसने मुझे कॉल किया. He called me. He called me. इसे फेंक दो. Throw it away. Throw it away. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care. I don't care. अपना चेहरा मत बनाओ. Don't make a face. Don't make a face. अपने हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. इतिहास खुद को दोहराता है. History repeats itself. History repeats itself. इसे हमें दे दो. Give it to us. Give it to us. पढ़ने की कोशिश करो. Try to study. Try to study. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. होना चाहिए. Should be. Should be. बस इतना ही. That's all. That's all. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. उसे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. मैं ज़्यादा देर तक सो गया. I overslept. I overslept. मैं तुमसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे अपने दांत ब्रश करने हैं. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. तुम कब से यहाँ हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. तुम्हारी गाड़ी कहाँ है? Where is your car? Where is your car? मेरे पास एक सवाल है. I have a question. I have a question. इसे संभालो. Handle this. Handle this. मेरे बच्चे कहाँ हैं? Where are my kids? Where are my kids? मुझे अभी जाना है. I need to go now. I need to go now. ये काम कब तक होगा? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? यहाँ कौन कौन है? Who all are here? Who all are here? मेरी किताबें कहाँ हैं? Where are my books? Where are my books? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. ये खाना किसने बनाया? Who made this food? Who made this food? तुम्हारी चाबी कहाँ है? Where is your key? Where is your key? मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूँगा. I will call you later. I will call you later. तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? मैं इसे नहीं समझता. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. क्या तुम मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help? Can you help? मैं उसे पसंद नहीं करता. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? इसे तुरंत ठीक करो. Fix this immediately. Fix this immediately. तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. I need some money. I need some money. ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important. This is very important. क्या तुम समझ गए? Did you understand? Did you understand? मुझे और समय दो. Give me more time. Give me more time. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? ये बहुत मुश्किल है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. हमें और जानकारी चाहिए. We need more money. We need more money. ये मेरा अंतिम निर्णय है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. मुझे शांति चाहिए. I need peace. I need peace. ये बहुत पुराना है. This is very old. This is very old. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? ये टूट गया है. This is broken. This is broken. मुझे 1 मिनट चाहिए. I need a minute. I need a minute. इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. Leave it here. Leave it here. क्या आपके पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? मुझे जल्दी है. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. क्या ये उपलब्ध है? Is this available? Is this available? मैं रुकना चाहता हूँ. I want to stop. I want to stop. ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? इसे धीरे धीरे करो. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. क्या ये सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मैं इसे खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. यहाँ कुछ भी मत बदलो. Don't change anything here. Don't change anything here. मुझे इसे खत्म करना है. I have to finish this. I have to finish this. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? मैं इसे नहीं पहचानता. I don't recognize this. I don't recognize this. मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? मुझे वहां जाना होगा. I have to go there. I have to go there. इसे वापस रख दो. Put it back. Put it back. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does this mean? What does this mean? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? इसे बाहर निकालो. Take it out. Take it out. मैं इसे समझता हूँ. I understand this. I understand this. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या ये दूर है? Is it far? Is it far? तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं होता. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. तुम बहुत तेज हो. You are very fast. You are very fast. ये काम कब होगा? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? तुम्हें किसने बुलाया? Who called you? Who called you? ये मेरे लिए नया है. This is new to me. This is new to me. तुमने ये क्या किया? What have you done? What have you done? इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. मुझे ये जानना है. I need to know this. I need to know this. तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? इसे धो दो. Wash it. Wash it. मुझे एक जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. ये कितने का है? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? मैं इसे नहीं खरीदूंगा. I will not buy this. I will not buy this. इसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करें? How do you use this? How do you use this? ये रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. ये कितना समय लेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? मैं खो गया. I am lost. I am lost. इसे वापस कर दो. Return it. Return it. ये कौन है? Who is this? Who is this? तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? मुझे अभी जाना होगा. I need to go now. I need to go now. ये मेरी किताब है. This is my book. This is my book. मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा है. I have seen you before. I have seen you before. क्या ये सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. मैं ये जानने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to find out. I am trying to find out. इसे कैसे स्थापित करें? How do we install this? How do we install this? क्या आपको ये पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? ये बहुत जटिल है. This is very complicated. This is very complicated. क्या हम शुरू कर सकते हैं? Can we start? Can we start? ये टूट गया. It has broken. It has broken. मैं इसे समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to understand this. I am trying to understand this. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ नहीं, नथिंग, नथिंग। तुम्हारी क्या इच्छा है? What do you want? What do you want? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे, as you like, as you like। तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ। I want to go out. I want to go out. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत बोल सकता हूँ। Yes, I can speak a little. Yes, I can speak a little. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ। I am learning English. I am learning English. क्या तुम खाओगे? Would you like to have? Would you like to have? नहीं, मैं अभी खा कर आया हूँ। No, I have just finished eating. No, I have just finished eating. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you so much. Thank you so much. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? इसे ऐसे नहीं करते। Don't do this that way. Don't do this that way. इसे इस तरीके से करो। Do it this way. Do it this way. आपने सही कहा। You said it right. You said it right. मुझे अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए। I should take care of myself. I should take care of myself. क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई विचार है? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any ideas? किस बारे में? About what? About what? तुम्हारी परीक्षा कैसी चल रही है? How are your exams going? How are your exams going? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? मैं अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ। I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. ज़्यादा चिंता मत करो। Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. सब हो जाएगा। Everything will be done. Everything will be done. सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा। Nothing will happen by thinking. Nothing will happen by thinking. तुम्हें करना होगा। You have to do it. You have to do it. तुम कर सकते हो। You can do it. You can do it. भविष्य हमारे हाथ में है। The future is in our hands. The future is in our hands. तुम अपने भविष्य को खुद बना सकते हो। You can create your own future. You can create your own future. लोग हमेशा बुरा ही बोलते हैं। People always say bad things. People always say bad things. लोगों की तरफ मत ध्यान दो। Don't pay attention to people. Don't pay attention to people. अपने काम पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your work. Concentrate on your work. अपने भविष्य पर ध्यान दो। Focus on your future. Focus on your future. कल तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing yesterday? What were you doing yesterday? मैंने तुम्हें पार्क में देखा था. I saw you in the park. I saw you in the park. बस मैं टहलने के लिए गया था. I just went for a walking. I just went for a walking. टहलना सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. Walking is good for health. Walking is good for health. वो मेरा बहुत ध्यान रखती है. She takes great care of me. She takes great care of me. वो बहुत प्यारी है. She is very cute. She is very cute. उसका दिल बहुत अच्छा है. She has a very good heart. She has a very good heart. वो धैर्य से काम लेती है. She works with patience. She works with patience. क्या तुम किसी का इंतजार कर रहे हो? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? हाँ, मैं किसी का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am waiting for someone. Yes, I am waiting for someone. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. It's too late. वो अभी तक नहीं आई. She hasn't come yet. She hasn't come yet. मैं और इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मुझे इंतजार करने से नफरत है. I hate waiting. I hate waiting. उसे समय पर आना चाहिए. He should come on time. He should come on time. मुझे ऐसे लोग पसंद नहीं. I don't like such people. I don't like such people. समय की कदर करनी चाहिए. Time should be valued. Time should be valued. मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. I am getting bored. I am getting bored. ये तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. This is not good for you. This is not good for you. अपनी उम्र का लिहाज करो. Consider your age. Consider your age. बड़ों का आदर करो. Respect elders. Respect elders. बड़ों की मदद करो. Help elders. Help elders. अपना काम लगन से करो. Do your work diligently. Do your work diligently. एक दिन तुम सफल हो जाओगे. One day you will succeed. One day you will succeed. अपने इरादे साफ रखो. Keep your intentions clear. Keep your intentions clear. किसी को दुख मत दो. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. जो तुम करोगे वही पाओगे. You will get what you do. You will get what you do. इसीलिए अच्छा सोचो. So think carefully. So think carefully. अच्छा करो. Do good. Do good. और तुम्हारे साथ भी अच्छा ही होगा. And it will be good for you too. And it will be good for you too. भगवान का धन्यवाद करो. Thank God. Thank God. भगवान ने मुझे सब कुछ दिया. God gave me everything. God gave me everything. उसने मुझे आंख मारी. He winked at me. He winked at me. मैंने उसे थप्पड़ मारा. I slapped him. I slapped him. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are very rude. You are very rude. क्या तुम्हें तमीज नहीं है? Don't you have manners? Don't you have manners? जरा चुप हो जाओ. Please shut up. Please shut up. हम यहीं हैं. We are here. We are here. मैं आपका इंतज़ार करूँगा. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. आपको आना ही होगा. You have to come. You have to come. मैं आपके बिना नहीं जाऊँगा. I will not go without you. I will not go without you. आप मेरी जिंदगी हो. You are my life. You are my life. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. हमें देर हो रही है. We are getting late. We are getting late. हमारी ट्रेन छूट जाएगी. We will miss our train. We will miss our train. गाड़ी इस साइड लगा दो. Park the car on this side. Park the car on this side. मैं गाड़ी पार्क करके आता हूँ. I will park the car and come back. I will park the car and come back. ये होटल बहुत अच्छा है. This hotel is very nice. This hotel is very nice. क्या तुम्हें ये पसंद आया? Do you like this one? Do you like this one? कोई और दिखाओ. Show something else. Show something else. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं. I don't like it. I don't like it. इसे एक तरफ कर दो. Put it aside. Put it aside. मैं इसे बाद में देखूंगा. I will look at it later. I will look at it later. पहले कुछ और दिखाओ. Show something else first. Show something else first. इसका रंग अच्छा नहीं. Its color is not good. Its color is not good. ये रंग मुझ पर नहीं जचता. This color doesn't suit me. This color doesn't suit me. मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. बाकी भगवान पर छोड़ दो. Leave the rest to God. Leave the rest to God. तुम तो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हो. You are a very good person. You are a very good person. तुम जैसा कोई नहीं. There is no one like you. There is no one like you. तुमसे बात करके अच्छा लगा. It feels good to talk to you. It feels good to talk to you. मुझे कोई नहीं समझता. Nobody understands me. Nobody understands me. मैं अकेला रहना चाहता हूँ. I want to be alone. I want to be alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. उसे जाने दो. Let him go. Let him go. मुझे मेरे हालात पर छोड़ दो. Leave me to my circumstances. Leave me to my circumstances. तुम अपना ध्यान रखो. You take care of yourself. You take care of yourself. मैं अपना ध्यान रख सकता हूँ. I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. अपनी औकात में रहो. Be in your limits. Be in your limits. अपनी औकात मत भूलो. Don't forget your status. Don't forget your status. पुराने दिनों को याद करो. Remember the old days. Remember the old days. हम बहुत खुश रहते थे. We used to live happily. We used to live happily. तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare you? How dare you? क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते? Don't you love me? Don't you love me? क्या मैं तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं लगता? Do I feel nothing to you? Do I feel nothing to you? तुम मेरे सब कुछ हो. You are my everything. You are my everything. मैं तुम्हारे बिना कुछ भी नहीं. I am nothing without you. I am nothing without you. ऐसी बातें मत करो. Don't talk like this. Don't talk like this. तुम कल क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? कौन सी मूवी? Which movie? Which movie? नहीं, मेरे पास समय नहीं था. No, I didn't have time. No, I didn't have time. मेरी फैमिली में 5 मेंबर हैं. There are 5 family members in my family. There are 5 family members in my family. मैं अपने पापा से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. I love my father very much. I love my father very much. फिर मिलते हैं. See you again. See you again. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे कोई लगाव नहीं है? Don't you have any attachment to me? Don't you have any attachment to me? हम रोज पार्क जाया करते थे. We used to go to the park every day. We used to go to the park every day. क्या पता मुझे कुछ और पसंद आए. Who knows, I will like something else. Who knows, I will like something else. इतना शोर क्यों मचा रहे हो? Why are you making so much noise? Why are you making so much noise? हर तरफ खुशियां बांटो. Spread happiness everywhere. Spread happiness everywhere. मेरी नींद टूट गई. My sleep was disturbed. My sleep was disturbed. दरवाजा बंद करो. Shut the door. Shut the door. तकलीफ देने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. मैं और आगे नहीं बता सकता. I can't explain further. I can't explain further. सब बढ़िया है. All is well. All is well. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. मैं आसपास ही था. I was around. I was around. कोट के बटन बंद करो. Button up the coat. Button up the coat. मुझे बद्दुआ मत दो. Don't curse me. Don't curse me. क्या तुम्हें भूख लगी है? Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? ये वाला कैसा रहेगा? हाउ अबाउट दिस वन? हाउ अबाउट दिस वन? तुम चुप क्यों हो? वाई आर यू साइलेंट? वाई आर यू साइलेंट? जरा देखने तो दो. लेट मी हैव अ लुक. लेट मी हैव अ लुक. जल्दबाजी मत करो. डोंट बी हेस्टी. डोंट बी हेस्टी. ध्यान से देखो. वॉच केयरफुली. वॉच केयरफुली. क्या चल रहा है? व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन? व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन? मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. आई डोंट वॉन्ट योर पिटी. आई डोंट वॉन्ट योर पिटी. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया. आई ट्रिक्ड यू. आई ट्रिक्ड यू. इसे ढीला करो. लूजन इट. लूजन इट. क्या जरूरत थी बोलने की? What was the need to speak? What was the need to speak? जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. इसे सीधा करो. Straighten it. Straighten it. तुम्हें पसंद है? Do you like it? Do you like it? शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. तुम निकम्मे हो. You are worthless. You are worthless. लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे? What will people think about us? What will people think about us? अपना काम करते रहो. Keep up your work. Keep up your work. उनकी मदद करो. Help them. Help them. मैं नाराज हूं. I am pissed off. I am pissed off. इसे कस दो. Tighten it. Tighten it. दाल में कुछ काला है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. तुम किससे प्यार करते हो? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? मुझे कल फोन करिएगा. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. कुछ कर रहे हो? Doing something. Doing something. मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. मैं तुरंत आ रहा हूं. I am coming at once. I am coming at once. मैं माफी मांगता हूं. I apologize. I apologize. तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? क्या तुम सहमत हो? Do you agree? Do you agree? मैं तुरंत नहीं आ रहा हूं. I am not coming at once. I am not coming at once. कुछ पढ़ रहे हो? Reading something. Reading something. क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? हाँ मैं सहमत हूं. Yes, I agree. Yes, I agree. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूं. I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. ये इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. It is not rocket science. It is not rocket science. वो तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो. You are very talkative. You are very talkative. कृपया धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना. Remind me later. Remind me later. मुझे कुछ पैसे दे दो. Give me some money. Give me some money. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं. May I say something? May I say something? मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मैं सुन रहा हूं. I am all ears. I am all ears. मैं बहुत थक गया हूं. I am worn out. I am worn out. समझदार को इशारा काफी है. A nod is enough to a wise. A nod is enough to a wise. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. तुम कितनी सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो. How do you know me? How do you know me? मैं उसे काबू नहीं कर सकता. I can't control him. I can't control him. होने को तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. ये कार किसकी है. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? मुझे प्यास लगी है. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है. What do you mean? What do you mean? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूं. May I come in? May I come in? तुम घर जा सकते हो. You can go home. You can go home. धक्का मत दो. Don't push. Don't push. जाकर पढ़ाई करो. Go and study. Go and study. मैं तुम्हें अच्छे से जानता हूं. I know you well. I know you well. तुम कितने किस्मत वाले हो. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. मुझे भड़काओ मत. Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. कितने बजे. At what time? At what time? भाड़ में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. तुमने बड़ी देर लगा दी. You took a long time. You took a long time. उसे चिल्लाने दो. Let him shout. Let him shout. उसे छोड़ दो. Let him off. Let him off. किसने कहा. Who said? Who said? कुछ मत कहो. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. उसने झूठ बोला. He lied. He lied. हाँ कहने में क्या जाता है. What goes to say yes? What goes to say yes? कोई परेशानी. Any problem? Any problem? जाओ एक कुर्सी ले आओ. Go and get a chair. Go and get a chair. जाओ एक गिलास पानी ले आओ. Go and get a glass of water. Go and get a glass of water. यहाँ मत थूको. Don't spit here. Don't spit here. मुझे घूरना बंद करो. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. खुद से प्यार करो. Love yourself. Love yourself. चलो आज बाहर खाते हैं. Let's eat out today. Let's eat out today. बेकार मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. पुलिस को बुलाओ. Call the police. Call the police. कोई आ रहा है. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मैंने तुम्हें बताया था. I told you. I told you. क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? घर पर रहो. Be at home. Be at home. इसे लिखो. Write it down. Write it down. मेरे बारे में सोचो. Think about me. Think about me. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you. We all are with you. वो कैसी है? How is she? How is she? सम्मान दो और सम्मान प्राप्त करो. Give respect, take respect. Give respect, take respect. मैं मजबूर हूं. I am helpless. I am helpless. सामान खोल दो. Unpack the luggage. Unpack the luggage. किसके बारे में? About whom? About whom? मैंने कल रात एक बुरा सपना देखा. I had a nightmare last night. I had a nightmare last night. तुम्हें कैसी नींद आई? How was your sleep? How was your sleep? मैं ठीक से नहीं सोया. I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep well. बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out. Don't go out. दूरी रखो. Keep distance. Keep distance. सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. अपने बारे में सोचो. Think about yourself. Think about yourself. वो मेरी जासूसी कर रही थी. She was spying on me. She was spying on me. तुम मेरे लिए बने हो. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. मैं वादा करता हूं. I promise. I promise. खो मत जाओ. Don't get lost. Don't get lost. कोशिश करने में क्या जाता है? What goes in trying? What goes in trying? मैंने कब कहा? When did I say? When did I say? ज़्यादा देर तक मत जागना. Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा हूं. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. I was just joking. I was just joking. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. ऐसा कोई शब्द नहीं होता. There is no such word. There is no such word. खुद ही देख लो. See yourself. See yourself. दिमाग शांत रखो. Be cool-minded. Be cool-minded. उसने मुझसे बहस की. He argued with me. He argued with me. अब सोने का समय हो गया है. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. गिर मत जाना. Do not fall. Do not fall. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. थोड़ा इंतजार करो. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. शायद वो आ रहा है. Maybe he is coming. Maybe he is coming. मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. ये लो दवाई खा लो. Here, take the medicine. Here, take the medicine. सीधे मुद्दे पर आओ. Come to the point. Come to the point. अपना सामान पैक करो. Pack your bags. Pack your bags. पागल मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. जो जी में आए करो. Do whatever you feel like. Do whatever you feel like. ये तुम्हारा भ्रम है. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. यकीन मानो या ना मानो. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. मैं अकेला जा रहा हूँ. I am going alone. I am going alone. ऐसा मत बोलो. Don't say like that. Don't say like that. मन में याद करो. Learn it by heart. Learn it by heart. ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ. It happened by chance. It happened by chance. बोर्ड की तरफ देखो. Look at the board. Look at the board. कृपया मुझे कंबल दे. Please give me the blanket. Please give me the blanket. तुम झूठे हो. You are a liar. You are a liar. कुर्सी लेकर आओ. Bring a chair. Bring a chair. मुझे शुभकामनाएं दी. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. Nothing much. Nothing much. मुझसे पंगा मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. इतनी जल्दी क्या है? What's the rush? What's the rush? क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? नहीं, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ. No, I don't. No, I don't. मुझे रुलाओ मत. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. उसे बुलाओ. Call him. Call him. देरी मत करो. Don't delay. Don't delay. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम क्या छिपा रहे हो? What are you hiding? What are you hiding? ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा है? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? अपनी आंखें बंद करो. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।